This is your brother Ahsan Hanif, and I want to give you an invitation to join us inshallah ta'ala for our annual winter conference here at Green Lane Masjid. As many of you are probably aware, every year we have over the Christmas period a winter conference where we invite a number of different scholars and shuyukh from across the world to join us here in Birmingham in the UK, and we do a jam-packed 2 or 3 intensive days of study. We go through classical texts and we benefit from their knowledge and from the advice that the scholars impart to us. This year, because of the situation that everyone's in across the world and because of the logistical nightmare that it would have been to conduct a live conference, and because of frankly the restrictions that many of us are living under imposed by the government, then we've had to this year change also our approach to the way that we do our winter conference. We didn't want to miss this opportunity. Our shuyukh and our teachers didn't want to miss this opportunity, and so we've had to do an online version of the conference. It is still inshallah ta'ala with our shuyukh and those ulama that many of them you know of have traveled to us before and been with us before, but also some new faces and some new names. And at the same time, it's still the same type of event in the sense that we're going through classical texts. We have texts on hadith and texts on aqidah and texts on different types of issues such as adab and adhkar. And it is important for us, especially in this time, to make time to connect with the region of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. One of the lessons that we're learning from this pandemic is giving us a sense of being able to put things back into priority, of being able to look at things again in context. And one of those things that we're benefiting from inshallah ta'ala is our need, the real need for us to learn about our religion, to come closer to Allah Azza wa Jal through knowledge. And one of the greatest ways of doing that is through methodological study. So inshallah ta'ala this year the format will be slightly different. The way that it's going to be done and delivered will be slightly different. It's all online, but the essential components of the conference, which is the ulama and the scholars and the classical texts that we learn and study, they will inshallah ta'ala be there as usual every year. So I want to extend this invitation not only to you but to your family, your friends, the people that you know, that you spread this message and that you join us inshallah ta'ala for these days and evenings of the conference. We ask Allah Azza wa Jal that He makes our affairs easy for us and that Allah Azza wa Jal protects us and you from every harm. Jazakumullah khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.